Good morning, students. I am here to teach you the one important subject in your BCom fifth semester, that is principles and practice of editing. This is one important subject. So you are studying at this level of BCom, which is also helpful to you in your further education, in your further career, especially to say this study and practice the area like the chartered accountancy. Even you can pursue your education that is in the course CA, that the chartered accountant. Similarly, by gaining the knowledge, okay, you can have the knowledge that is in the area of accounting. Today, we will say study the meaning of editing. So, what is editing? So, here I have written the general meaning of the editing. Editing is a critical examination. Critical examination. Critical indicate that is fault finding. The meaning of critical is fault finding. Okay. The critical examination. The examination, the verification of the books of account. So here I want to give you some examples pertaining to the examination is concerned. So what actually the difference between examination and preparation? See, actually here in the business area, we observe one, that the business organization. So business organizations, they maintain the records and books of account. Okay. Then it is prepared by the accountants. It is prepared by the accountants. Business organization, then records and books of account. That's the second thing. Then accountants. So all they are in line with the, all they are in the same line. So here it involves the job of the preparation of the accounting aspect. Okay, so that is done by the accountant. That is done by the accountant. Accountants, they prepare the books of account. They maintain the records. Okay, pertaining to the business organization is concerned. Another side, examination. Okay, so the books of account that is prepared by the accountants, it is examined. It is examined by the editor. One side, that is the accountant. Another side, that is the editor. So here in editing, editor makes the job of the examination. I hope you have got the correct meaning of examination with reference to the editing is concerned. What actually the examination? Examination of the, that is the records and books of account. Books of account. So books of account, as I told you earlier, that is it is say prepared by the accountants. It is prepared by the accountants. It is maintained by the records. It is maintained by the say accountants. Okay, of a business. Of a business. Business means here business organization. Business organization may be any type. Okay, it may be a sole trading concern. It may be a partnership firm, or it may be a joint stock company. Okay, so it assumes any form. Okay. So of a business, okay, by an independent qualified person. By an independent qualified person. So the books of account records pertaining to the business organization, okay, it is examined by independent qualified person. So here independent qualified person is the editor. Okay, he is an independent person. He is in no way connected with the preparation of the books of account. Okay, so that is done by the accountant. He is no in way connected. So that thing you have to remember. First, the accountants they make the job of that the say preparation. Okay, so after say completing their job, so the job of the auditor it starts. It starts. Okay. So independent. So independent here indicates that auditor is in no way under the influence of the people in the business organization. That's why he is an independent person. He is not under anyone's influence. Okay, on his own, he has the authority to practice that the profession of editing. So independent, qualified person, qualified. So auditor must be a qualified person. Okay, he must have the qualification that the CA, especially in our country, okay, which is conferred by the ICAI. So it is examined by the independent qualified person for ascertaining the authenticity and accuracy. Okay, so both these words are very important, especially with reference to the entries are concerned. Okay, while recording the entries are concerned, especially these two wordings are most important. That is authenticity and accuracy. Authenticity indicate here that the truth. Okay, it should be true. So whatever the entries, the transaction entries, whatever it is recorded in the books of account, okay, so it should be authenticated. It should be true. Okay, then accuracy, correctness. It should be correct. So both the feature of that is truth and correctness. That means for the false transactions, for false entries, there is no scope at all in the area of that is accounting and auditing. Okay, it should be true and correct. Okay, only for such entries there is scope. Accuracy of entries appearing in the books of account, as I already told you that it is recorded in the books of account and financial statement. Financial statement here it includes the trading and profit and loss account, then say balance sheet. Okay. So from that angle here, it should be correct here. So in a nutshell manner here, I have explained you say the working that involves in the accounting and auditing. Okay, and here there are many definitions are there in the area of auditing, which are given by the eminent philosophers. Okay, in the area of auditing, it may be by say Montgomery, Spicer and Pegler. Okay, ICEI. Okay, so many organizations, many philosophers, they have given say the definitions on auditing. Okay, based on that one, based on that one, so we will study that the features. Okay, so important highlights of what we see that the editing, so that we can draw that is in features. So features I will uh, explain you, I will highlight you in my next say session. Thank you.